Okay, we're going to go over a couple of trigonometry problems for the exam. There's two types of problems that we're talking about. One where we're looking for the length of a side, and the other one where we're looking for the measure of an angle, one of the acute angles. So we'll get started with the first problem. For the first problem, now the definitions for sine, cosine, and tangent are given to you. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent opposite over adjacent. So looking at the first diagram, we have, in reference to this 25-degree acute angle, the side opposite that is the opposite leg. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, and the other side is the adjacent, meaning the adjacent leg. Because in this case we're not given any information, we're not looking for the length of the opposite, we'll get rid of that. So therefore the trig function that deals with hypotenuse and adjacent is going to be cosine. So we state the trig function that we decided upon, we state the acute angle that we're looking at, we apply the definition adjacent over hypotenuse. We then want to use a calculator to look up the cosine of 25 degrees. So getting out your calculator, we have, in this case, cosine of 25 is equal to 0.9063 approximately. So we have 0.9063. If that equals x over 200, we can put the 0.9063 over 1, cross multiplying, we have 1 times x equals 0.9063 times 200, so we'll go back to the calculator to save some time and also eliminate some careless mistakes, and we get 181 approximately. So we get 181. Okay, 0.26, so you answer the question as accurately as requested on the exam. For the other type of trig problem, when you're looking for an acute angle, we're going to circle the two sides that we have given to us. X, the acute angle that we have circled, the 27 is opposite that. Opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, but we're not interested in that because it's nothing given, it's not being requested, so therefore we'll get rid of that. The other side, 40, therefore becomes the adjacent. The trig function that deals with adjacent and opposite is tangent. So we state tangent of the acute angle that we have circled, or the acute angle that we're looking for, x, equals opposite over adjacent. So we're going to take this fraction and change it into a decimal first. So taking the calculator, we're going to take 27 and divide it by 40. And we get 0.675. So we have the tangent of x equals 0.675. Now to solve for an angle, we have to use the calculator backwards from the previous problem. So that means we go back to the calculator and we put this value in to the inverse tangent. So to find an angle, use inverse tangent. So the way in which we do that with my calculator is we say inverse tangent, which is also known as arctangent, and we put in the value 0.675, and we say equals, and we have an answer of approximately 34 degrees. So x is approximately equal to 34 degrees. Hopefully those two problems help.